Good day. So a quick tutorial how-to on changing out a 3-wire male plug-in. First step, male or female plug-in, does not matter. Make sure there is no power to it. Check the other end, make sure it's not plugged into the wall. So this plug-in right here cost me $5 at Home Depot, and it is a 15 amp 3-wire grounded replacement plug. Tools you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of strippers, and a pair of cutters, and a razor blade. When I'm stripping that, I use these right here and I nip at it. I've done this for so long I don't niche the wire, but I'm not going to show you that way. I'm going to show you how to use the razor blade because it's a lot cleaner and a lot safer. To figure out the length you need to strip back to, I just close this up and go about like that. That gives you about the right amount of room. So bend your wire like this and use a razor blade safety knife. I'm just being crazy. So bend it, squeeze it, and then you're going to take it. Now I'm doing this through the looking glass, so I got to be careful. But if you watch, just barely touching it, we'll start the stripping. You do that all the way around. And you can see by pinching it, focus. You can see just by touching it, it's actually doing the job really well. So reposition, pinch it again, and then tap it. So you can see, I'm trying to do this through the looking glass. Careful. Just by giving it that little bit of a touch, you have a clean break all the way around and pull it off. All right, now that that's stripped back, take your strippers and just strip all 3 of them. Now, normally on your replacement plugs, you have black and gold. These are gold. So just look right here and you'll see it says BLK, and that's where the black one goes. Green goes where the green one goes. Sorry for the focusing. I am not sure what's going on today. So green, and then the white will go over here. So a tidbit more of information. I noticed I just picked up a 20 amp replacement, so I got to go grab another one. But the 20 amp goes sideways with a parallel like this. The 15 amp is straight, which your plugs are normally straight to straight. But with that said, now all you have to do is just push this in here, locate that down, squeeze that down, and tighten those screws. Once tightened, you got it set up. Remember, that's a 20 amp, straight left. Y'all stay safe. Have a wonderful day.